Hi G Squad, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Gigi. We're taking off 2 nails here. I could have actually just gone down to the thin layer at the base, but I was worried I would just break it anyway, and why go through all that? So I am going to go ahead and remove the polish from the other nails, and we're just going to do fills on those, which I'm only going to show sculpting one of the nails, and we're going to do it real fast. And we will get to why in just a minute. You're going to see me talking to you in a minute, and I'm going to explain the challenge, because this is an Instagram does my nails video. If you're not on my Instagram, why? There you go. We are removing the bulk here. I'm going to realize in a second that I really should have switched over to my coarse bit, which I'm going to do, because you can go a little slower, creates a little less heat, and it just zooms right through it. So once you feel comfortable, don't be afraid of that coarse bit. It's your friend. It really is. And I'm down to start trying some new ones as well. And in just a few seconds, you're going to be seeing my face. Okay, besties, before we head into the next part of the video, which I'm ready to do now, I did want to stop and let's talk about the Instagram does my nails part of the video. I asked 3 questions on my Instagram, and we got some answers. Okay, so the first question I asked was, should I do something on tips or sculpts? And that would determine to me whether or not we were just doing a set on some tips, or if we were going to do my nails, or maybe, Patsy's nails. I almost said Dolly, but we all know Dolly's been retired. So, here. Hi guys, it's been a long time. So anyway, guys, yeah, goober. The second question were colors. And I had asked, and I'm going to put a picture right here. I had asked, do you want this or that? This or that? And you guys picked these 2 colors, which we have this gorgeousy burnt orange color, which I did actually wear and am partially wearing now. It's the right season for it, that's for sure. I think that's why you picked it, but maybe you picked it because of the purple. So we're going to put burnt orange together with purple, which I know is a little funky. I'm a little funky, so I like it. And the third question was, should we do stamps or foils? And the resounding answer was foils. And I've decided that the 2 that go the best, at first I wasn't sure if I should just do 1 or 2, but I really want to do a couple of crazy colored nails. And so I think we're going to do these 2. All right, so that's what has led us up to this point. Be sure, if you are not already following me on Instagram, it's the same name, Down for Glam, Nails by Gigi. Come and follow me, so next time around you can help me choose my nails. And I've got another idea, actually, that combines Monday's video with this video to do something really fun. So definitely make sure you hit the subscribe button. Make sure you're following me on Instagram. I've got a lot of cool ideas in my head for the coming year, and I don't want you guys to miss any of it. Come join this community. Let's have a great time, and let's get back to these nails right now. All right, guys, I have built it and filed out all the nails, fills, the whole 9 yards. Everything's done. And so now I'm coming in with a little bit of the Modelones foil gel. Now that thumbnail was one that I just did off camera. I wanted to test my theory that all of these colors were going to be fire together, and I feel like I wasn't wrong. So I went on ahead and just kept going, and I want each nail to just have its own color flare, but still all flow and match together. So that's what we're doing. Just, you want to come in kind of patchwork style. You don't want any one color being the main color, but you want them all to read, right? Like I love transfer foil. I think it's so easy to just come in and make a colorful, creative look with it. Now I did a second coat of the transfer foil gel, and we're just coming in, and anywhere I think it could use a little more depth of color, or I missed a spot, whatever, I'm just going to come in and give it another little rub, another little press, get some more color on there. Now, I had elected to not put any color underneath my transfer foil. That's my decision. If you don't like that look, that's totally fine. Just put some polish underneath. Pick the color you would want to show through any empty spots and paint it that color. You can even do like a chrome technique so that it's also got that shine to it. Then I would do a base coat and then your transfer foil, and then go to town and have a wonderful time. And then that way you probably also wouldn't have to do 2 coats, but I just elected to stick with the transfer foil. Ignore me struggling with my dampen dish. I know I shouldn't use that to try to rest my finger on. It's very unstable. So we're coming in with this burnt orange, and we are going to do purple on the pinky. Both of them are going to get 2 coats, but you're only going to see 1 on each one. You're going to see the second coat, though, on the purple nail, because I forgot to click record. So then we're going to go ahead and paint this nail. I did want to tell you that I tried to mimic the thing we're going to do on the middle finger. I tried to mimic that on this finger. I didn't like how it came out. Just to give myself a nice surface to paint on, we're going to do a quick matte top coat, but the nails will be shiny in the end. Although, honestly, this whole look would be fire with matte as well. I am a fan of matte top coats. They just don't hold up for me very well, so I don't typically go that route. Plus, I just really like shiny nails. Okay, we're coming in with a diamond. You can faintly see a diamond there. I had an idea. I tried to make it work. It didn't. I'm not sure I'm giving up on the idea, though, so I'm not going to tell you what it is. You may see it in a future video. And at that time, if you do, I'll explain the story. Okay, excuse me. Oh my goodness, a little tickle in my throat. Okay, so we are going to make these diamonds. This look actually was inspired by a piece of art I saw online. It's just one of those little prints that you can buy already framed, kind of like you would get at maybe, you know, Target or, you know, a home goods type of store. And it had 3 diamonds with a line hanging from them, very, very reminiscent of what you're about to see, but they were separated, and I'm bringing mine more close together. And of course, it was more of a black and white picture, and I'm going for a very colorful look, but it's definitely reminiscent of what I saw. Although you see all the diamonds in that one, it's not pieces of diamonds like this. Now I'm going to just go in and outline the diamonds just so that they all have nice straight lines, because honestly with the polish it's a little hard to make the lines exactly straight because the polish wants to spread. And so in the places that it spread, like you can see, it's not completely a straight line. And so what I'm doing is just straightening those lines with the black polish. Oh, I'm so sorry. I have a little tickle. A little tickle. Probably because this is my second voiceover for this, because I'm obsessive and I always sound like a goober at the end of the video, and sometimes I'm so goobery it makes me mad, and so I just start over. Do you guys do that? With, even if it's not for videos, with other stuff. Do you guys do that? You know what I mean, right? Like, how many times do you do like an Instagram story and then redo it and redo it? There's that little bit that I did. There's a little flash of the pinky. Now we're just going to go ahead and wipe all the dust away, make sure everything's ready to go, and we are going to come in with some really sexy top coat. I love this top coat. It is light elegance, super shiny. It is very, very shiny, and I don't have a lot of color in my hair right now, but when my hair is bright purple, it never transfers to my nails with this top coat. And every other top coat I've used, after, even ones that say, this isn't, I haven't tried them all, but even the couple I have tried that say that they are stain resistant, no. The longest I can go before it's completely getting stained up and I have to either change my polish or file off the staining and re-top coat, which never really works right, 5 or 6 days. But this one, never. I never get staining. And sometimes my hair is bright, bright purple. So I have a lot of staining in my life. And one of the things I was really struggling with was staining on my nails, which I don't get anymore. So I love this top coat. If you need a stain resistant, I recommend it. Guys, we're almost done here. I really hope you love this set as much as I do. Let me know in the comment section if you do. Please be sure while you're down there to click all my buttons and stop by the channel if you like it, because I'm hearing that even hitting the notification bell isn't 100%. So I don't know why YouTube would want to do that to creators, but who am I to tell them what to do? So be sure you stop back by. We will see you on Friday. Have a happy Thanksgiving. Bye-bye, guys.